So let's start this new chapter with the new command, that is rev cloud. We call it as rev cloud. Okay, let us see. REVC. Once you press REVC, you will see here REV cloud. Okay, this is known as revision cloud. Okay, revision cloud. So either you can press enter, or you can left click. So your REV cloud will get started. Yes. Now REV cloud is nothing but it will try to form clouds in some certain shapes. It may be circle, it may be a rectangle, it may be a line, anything. So let us see one by one. Okay, see here, arc length. See, approximate arc length is 60. Okay, the approximate arc length is 60. Or here you can see minimum arc length is nothing but 80, and maximum arc length is, sorry, minimum arc length is 40 and maximum arc length is 80. Style is calligraphy, type is freehand. All these things I will change. Okay, let me give an approximate length of arc. By default it is 60. Let me give it as 20. Suppose if I give it as 20, then what will happen? See, go to first rectangular, left click. We know how to create rectangle. First corner and then second corner. See, this is the rectangular shape. This is the rectangular shape. But see the sides, how they are made. The sides are having clouds. So again, press left corner. So this is how it is being made. So that's the revision cloud. These are the arcs. You can see here. These are the arcs. Okay. These are the arcs and the shape is rectangular. Let me show it again. Go to REVC. Okay. Rev cloud. See, specify first corner. So this is the first corner. Specify opposite corner because we are inside the rectangular. Opposite corner. So this is rectangular and the sides are shown as clouds. And did you see one thing? Go to REVC again. Enter REVC. Once you do that, you will see here REV cloud. Go to arc length. What was the arc length which I chose? I choose 20. Now you can see if I choose approximate length of arc as 20, then you can see here minimum arc length is 13.33 and the maximum arc length is 26.667. Take the average of minimum and maximum arc length. Take the average of minimum and maximum arc length, you will get 20, which is nothing but the approximate length of arc. If you take approximate length as 30, okay, approximate length as 30, then again the minimum and maximum arc length will be changed. And minimum and maximum arc length, why there are two arc length, minimum and maximum? So that it can adjust itself. Okay, like go to rectangular, first corner and second corner. Now you can see there are arcs, different type of arc. Bigger arc, small arc. Big arc, small arc. Small arc, again little bit medium arc. So these are the arcs. These are the arcs having length of minimum and maximum of certain. Because this time I have chosen approximate arc length as 30. So there has to be some minimum and maximum. Do you want to see? Go to REVC, left click here, that will be activated. You can see here directly it is showing. Okay, because the arc length is how much? 30. By default the arc length is 30. So if the arc length is 30, see, minimum arc length is 20 and the maximum arc length is 40. The average of 20 and 40 is 30. So you will find here the cloud which we are drawing here having minimum arc length of 20 and maximum arc length of 40. I hope this is clear. Let me delete this. Okay, yes. Now we have next option as polygonal. Before polygonal, I will show you freehand. Freehand. So go to freehand. Left click and move your mouse. No need to click on the mouse. No need to click on the mouse. Just move your mouse. Once we reach near the initial point, it will automatically close it. See, it will automatically close. So this is the freehand. Okay, this is the freehand, and having arc length, approximate arc length is 30 and having arc length minimum 20 and maximum arc length is 40. So that's the feature of this particular Rev Cloud. Okay, so that's the freehand REV Cloud. Now let's go to freehand again. Left click onto it, left click on the screen and move your mouse. See, you can change the direction as well. Just move your mouse. Once you move it, once you come near the initial point, then it will be something like this. Okay, it will be closed automatically. Okay, so that's the freehand. Actually, you can stretch it, you can change the shape like this. See, left click onto that and move it. Okay, just put the ortho off so that it won't move in the vertical or horizontal direction. See, you can change it. These are the drag handles. Left click and move it. Left click and move it. Left click and move it like this. So it's like this. Select it. Left click and move it. Left click and move it. So this is how it works. I hope this is very much clear to you. Okay, let's see some more commands inside the Riv Cloud. See, now after freehand, we have style. Go to style. As of now, by default, polygraphy is selected. Go to normal. Left click onto the normal. Now try to draw. I am using freehand to draw the Rev Cloud. So left click, that will be the initial point. Now draw it. Now you can see this is the normal cloud. Simple. In the calligraphy, the shape was something different, but here it is little bit different. Okay, chalo. This is also done. Go to Rev Cloud again. Okay, now we have polygonal and object. This is remaining. So let's go to polygonal. Okay, polygonal. So left click onto it. Again left click. Again left click. Again left click. See, it is a polygonal. Just left click and you will get different shapes like this. Enter. Once you enter, that will be accepted. So this is how polygonal is used. Yes. Go to polygonal again. Rev Cloud polygonal. Left click. Left click. See, it is start making polygon. Now this is triangle. Now this is rectangle. Now this is pentagon, not a regular one, but pentagon. Yes. Now this is close to hexagon. We are not getting the shape. Yes, but you can make some shapes through it. Okay, press enter and you will be getting this. Because the style is normal, that's why it is like this. Okay, if you change the style, go to style, calligraphy. Calligraphy looks somewhat better. Okay, go to polygonal. It will be like this. I hope this is very much clear. This is very simple. Let us delete this. Go to riff cloud again. Okay, now object is remaining. And modify. So let us draw some objects. First is rectangle. Second is circle. Okay. Third is, let me draw a line. This is the line. Let me join this line. J enter. Join all the line. Okay. Yes. Now go to REV C. Go to object. Select this object. You will get this rev cloud. Now it is asking rev cloud reverse direction. Do you want to reverse your direction? If I say yes, see how the direction will change. See, the direction is changed. Go to rev cloud again. Select object. Select this object. Now again it is asking reverse direction. I will say no. If the direction is not reversed, this is how it will look. Okay. Now go to rev cloud again. Okay, object, select this. Do you want to reverse your direction? Yes. So how it will look. So I hope this is very much clear. Okay, now we have next option called modify. Go to modify, select the polyline to modify. So this is the polyline. Okay, now left click, make a shape, left click, again left click. Just try to draw a closed shape like this. Again select the initial one. Once you see, I started from here and by left click, continuously left click, left click, left click, left click, and then I ended here. Once this is closed, this rev cloud which I have drawn, this is closed with the help of the object. Then it will show this option, pick a side to erase. Pick a side to erase. So which side you want to erase? Suppose I want to erase this side. So left click onto that. So this will look something like this. So it is asking, as of now, the direction is this. Do you want to reverse the direction? Yes. If the direction is reversed, it will look something like this. Okay, let me explain again. Rev cloud. Okay, now go to modify. Select polyline. Suppose I want to select this. To select this, so it will start making polyline. Left click, make your own shape how you want. See, now you have to close this rev cloud with the help of that same rev cloud only. So left click again. So it is closed now. Now which side you want to keep? This side or this side? Suppose I want to keep this side. So I will erase this. So left click onto that. Okay, now it will ask, do you want to reverse the direction? Yes, I want to reverse the direction. So this is how it will look. So this is the rev cloud option. I hope this is very much clear to you. Yes.